In today's video, I'll show you guys the two signals I've given today and all the signals we've been given lately. I'll even show you my platform, the Telegram channel, the money we've been making. Some people that make use of, they have little capital, but they are making good profits every day with our signals. Okay, so you're welcome to our channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys this VIX 75 and step index signals I've given today. So here's VIX 75. You can see we are still in profit already. We are still in profit in VIX 75. All right, so this was our entry, SL up here and TP down here. Now we still have our we are in profit, and then we've moved our SL below our entry. You can see 1:3.2 risk to reward ratio. So yeah, then we give signal on step index. I missed this guy, VIX 25. I really missed VIX 25. So I will be telling you guys what you guys are doing wrong. Okay, this is step index right here. This is my open layout. You can see these are the things I trade, the instruments I trade. Step index. Though I did not do the analysis here, but step index, we got step index, short step index. You can see this set I placed some days ago, and I did not even open my system today. I only use my phone to trade to give the signals, but you can see we are in good profit, and it's just the same thing that I have on my phone. That is what I have here on the system, so on my laptop. So so this is one of my best subscribers. He might not be making so much profits. He makes like $20 every other day, but I'm so happy. Why? Because he used only $20 to make all these profits every other day. You can see he keeps sending airtime to me whenever he makes profit, and I'll tell him you don't have to do it. He would still do it. And even today, he just made another withdrawal and just sent another 3,500. He keeps sending airtime to me whenever he makes a withdrawal. So you can see he has been winning like every other day, $20 every day. You can see this one, $22. You can see this one. So he has been winning like every day with just $20 he funded some days ago. So with just taking my step index, does not even take all the signals. Here's my VIP. Here's my VIP. This today. This is my VIP group. Here's today. You can see this VIX 75 I'm talking about right now. Okay. I have a lot of testimonies. All right. A lot of testimonies. People are winning. Look at that. People are winning. All right. So I've been into trading for, these are testimonies. I've been into trading for like 7 to 8 years now, and I'm really experienced. This is the step index. I'm really experienced. I know the suffering people are going through in trading, and I cannot be here scamming people. All right, so yeah, I don't scam people, and I know I'm so experienced. I'm so experienced when it comes to trading. I might not have so much money and driving Lambo, but I'm experienced when it comes to trading, and I love sharing my experience and my ideas with people. So now, why do you keep failing? Why do we keep failing? Why do we keep failing? Because including me, I lose sometimes, and I check out. It's just a simple mistake, but I didn't take notes. All right. Now, now look at this. We always feel like for us to be successful, we need a strategy that is so sophisticated. All right, a strategy that is so choked with indicators, with a whole lot of jargons and all, right? But I think for you to be successful, you need a very simple strategy. You need a very simple strategy, because the strategy I'm using is a very basic strategy, very simple. Anybody can learn. Do you understand? Anybody can learn in just 1 month or less and start trading and be profitable. Now, do you notice that I don't trade? Though there was a time I started trading liquidity and all those stuff, and trust me, liquidity, it works, but if you don't focus on liquidity, you'll never see liquidity, and you never blame yourself that you did not take note of liquidity. Now, because the thing is, if you keep looking for problems, you get problems. If you keep looking for being happy, you'll be happy. So that's what it is. Now, there's a saying, a popular saying, that if you go outside, maybe from your house to your office, and they ask you how many red cars did you see on your way down, you will never remember. You likely not see. You'll be like you've not seen any red car. You didn't see any red car before getting to the office. But if they tell you before leaving the house, on your way down, take note of every red car you'll be seeing on the road. You can see like 10 red cars. That's because you are aware. So now I'm not aware of liquidity. I try not to pay attention to liquidity, and it's no longer a problem to me. I trade the market successfully. Trust me, we've been winning like most of our trades. Like the last 10 days or more, we win like, if I've given like 10 signals, we've won like 8 or 9, which is like 80 to 90, 85% win rate. Okay, so but I don't trade liquidity. I don't observe liquidity, imbalance, fair value gap, a whole lot of stuff. I don't really focus on those things. It's not as if they don't work, but because if you want to, include them into your trading, it will affect your trading. You start guessing. You start casing, okay, could it be this place, could it be this other place, because you're not certain, because you don't know where. Let's say you expect this level to be the liquidity zone, or this level to be a liquidity zone. The market, as it's going up here, it will take liquidity up here before the final drop, and the market did not get to that point. It started dropping. You'll be so confused. So when you want to start bringing in a whole lot of stuff into your trading, you make it very complicated for you. So that's the reason most of us are losing in trading. So keep it very simple and you keep winning. You can see that guy with $20, he would withdraw every day. Whenever he makes $20, he will pull out the $20 and allow the initial capital he funded, which is $20, to still remain in the account. And you keep on moving again with the same signals that have not been trading liquidity, imbalance, fair value gap, and this and that, all the stuffs. So keep it easy, keep it simple, and be disciplined. You will win. Now, don't force the market. A lot of people stay on the charts 247. Like you see, I did not even stay on the charts today. I did not stay on the charts today. I was just doing my stuff. All right. I was just doing my stuff. I did not stay on the charts today. I did not even open my laptop. All right. Today, I've done a lot of stuff. I went to the gym. I've done this and that. But I gave two successful signals. We smashed TPs, right? But I didn't really check the chart. I just open my phone. I get set up. I give. Because I keep it very simple. So keep it simple. Stay on the daily time frame. Don't stay on the charts 247, bro. If you stay on the chart 247, you lose more because you'll be forcing the market. Some places that you see market gets to a certain level, even without you waiting for the market to drop, you start jumping in already and start making bad decisions. So that's it. Keep it very simple. Do you know what that's when a support got broken? This is our support right here. Got broken. Got broken. It turns to resistance. It works every time. Those basics that we knew back then, the days of baby pips, all the stuff we've been learning, they work every day. But somebody will still introduce a new strategy and it will keep working, like as if. But the thing is, just keep it simple. Keep it simple. Look at this one here. Break and retest. It works very well. You see head and shoulders strategy. Left shoulder, the head, right shoulder, and the market drops. Right, this head and shoulder, head, left shoulder, right shoulder. It works perfectly till tomorrow, till forever. It keeps working. Like, so you must not know everything about trading. You want to know everything about trading, you start losing, you start making mistakes, you start doubting your system. So keep it very simple so that you'll be able to grow faster. You'll be able to get good setups and you don't blame on so many, we could blame it on liquidity. There was imbalance. This was the inducement and this and that. You're just confusing yourself. So keep it very simple. So why am I saying this? This guy here works very well. Even double bottom, double top, it works very well. They're all working like perfectly well. So now, why did I give the step index sell and VIX 75 sell and we made profits? Now look at this guy. Look at this stuff here. To make it very simple, start on your daily time frame. I keep preaching this every day. Start on your daily time frame. When you start on your daily time frame, It's easy. I know this video will be very long, but I have to talk to you. I had to talk to you guys because I feel bad because a lot of people are making it wrong. Like, you keep looking for strategies that you feel works. When someone start plotting, tagging, labeling their charts, I don't even do most of those labeling. I'll just make it very simple. You start looking for them. Even when you've paid money somewhere, you start paying money somewhere else again because you feel this is the right strategy. You need to stay one place, bro. If you feel my strategy is okay, learn my strategy and stay one place. If you're not okay with my strategy, learn one strategy and stay one place and keep practicing till you get to understand that strategy better. When I started trading this strategy, it was not like this. I was not winning most of my trades. I was finding it difficult, but I believe that I was blaming myself for my mistakes, but not the strategy, not the system. I was blaming myself for the mistakes. I entered too early, I entered too late, I risked more and stuff like that. But I never blame the system. So now, here's the strategy. Look at your chart on the daily time frame. What is saying? This is a downtrend. This is a downtrend. This is a downtrend. This is a downtrend. This is a downtrend, bro. As simple as that. Now, around this current price here, here's our current price. Around this guy, what's going on here? Uh-oh. All right, so around this place here, I think it's network issue. Around this level, this is our current price. This is where your interest should be. That's your point of interest. So now, after this level, where is the market coming from? Market is coming from above, which means market is actually going down. Now, has it broken a key level? Yes, there's a key level on the charts. Market just broke out from. Right. Market just broke out from that key level. Then if you look again, you see this level. These are not key level right here. These are not key level on the chart. You can even check these other guys are not key level on the chart. Do you understand? You can carry this stuff here and place it here, or you place it there. That's our key level right there. That's our key level. You see this is a key level. This is our key level too. So what do you do next? You're looking for your support because you've gotten a resistance. You're looking for your support, and you look for a support on the daily time frame. Where's the nearest structure? This is the nearest guy here, right there. Okay, even if you take this guy too to give you the same thing, this guy will be very accurate. This other guy here, or this other structure right here, will be very, very accurate. Now, after doing this, what else? How did yesterday candlestick close, bro? Simple. Look at how strong it closed. Strong bearish candlestick. Very strong bearish candlestick on the daily time frame. So what is the next thing to do? That shows that the pressure will be going down today. And market has broken the key level because of this candlestick. So market, once a key level is broken, after support, once the support is broken, it turns to a resistance. Remember what I said? When the support gets broken, it turns to a resistance in the future. So now market, this candlestick that intersected this line was very strong bearish. That means the pressure is down. And then it has broken a support, which means that market will be pulling back to the resistance to confirm this zone a resistance. Then after that, it will be going down. Do you understand? As simple as that. So you go down to 4 hours time frame. It might not be very obvious. The candlestick might not be very obvious on the 4 hours time frame. But if you check on your like maybe 1 hour time frame, on the 4 hours time frame, it's still the same thing because we're in a downtrend, right? So you check on like 1 hour time frame or 15 minutes time frame, even 30 minutes time frame. You can see now this is the breakout. This was the breakout that happened. Then they pull back to this point. So this pullback now confirms that markets will be dropping because it's a strong downtrend. Do you understand? Remember, look at this place here. When we had this breakout, market touched this level and did what? A pullback to this point and it started selling. The same thing here. Market just broke this level. A pullback to this point and it started selling. As simple as that, brother. Then if you go down to 15 minutes time frame, you're looking for a reversal candlestick around this zone. As simple as that. Did I talk about any liquidity? Do we see any liquidity here? Did market take out any liquidity? I didn't think market went above this level. Like here, we say, okay, it has broken this liquidity, it has taken liquidity, but it does not take liquidity. And do you know why I don't like talking about liquidity? Because if you go to TikTok, you see small boys, those boys will stay on. I'm not calling them small boys, sorry. You see some young traders, new traders, they stay on the 5 minutes time frame, 1 minute time frame to trade, and they keep marking liquidity zones on the 5 minutes time frame. Who told you that a institutional trader stay on the 5 minutes time frame to look for liquidity? They don't do that. So that's why the concept of liquidity does not really make sense to me. It does make sense, but I feel like I can do without it. Do you understand? So that's the reason we keep losing, because we keep looking for that market has broken this level. Since it has broken this level, it will come back to this point and clear and clear and clear before they drop. Shut up, bro. Do you understand? Shut up, bro. It's not like that. It's simple. Keep it very simple. You will win your trade. So you see, this is a reversal candlestick. What candlestick are you seeing here at this level? This is a bearish engulfing candlestick. Bearish engulfing candlestick. Looks very strong, stronger than the previous candlestick. Look at that. That's your entry, and you target the nearest support. 1:3. You make your money, bro. Stop putting all those speaking big English and all and keep failing, bro. Keep it very simple. Now, VIX 75, you can see we're in good profit on VIX 75. Why did I give you VIX 75? On the daily time frame, we are in a downtrend on the daily. We're in a downtrend. And around, just like what we did, you're looking for the current price. This is our current price right there, where market is trading currently. You're looking for the nearest resistance. This is my nearest zone right there. That's my nearest zone right there. What's your nearest support? Where's your nearest support? This level. Do you understand? Or I can even target this level based on my analysis. Do you understand? Target this level right there. Okay, then go down to 4 hours time frame. Now, okay, how did yesterday candlestick close? You see, yesterday candlestick gave us a strong, day for yesterday gave us a strong bullish. Market went to this point. That means market has respected this zone and reversed and closed weak. This candlestick is very weak because see, it's a weak candlestick because of this pressure. Market was actually going up. Then at this point, sellers took over the market. They are in charge now. Sellers are in charge now. So that's the information I've gotten here, and this will guide my decision when I go down to lower time frame. Now on the 4 hours time frame, you can see it's a bearish market. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So whenever market breaks a support, market pulls back, breaks a support, pulls back to resistance, and it sells. To start selling. As simple as that, bro. Stop allowing these people to deceive you. Keep lying to you. Keep collecting your money for nothing. So around this level here, you're looking for, we've gotten our structure on the lower time frame. It's a bearish structure. Do you understand? And this is where we had the last swing low on the 4 hours time frame, which is my target. Now, we cannot see an entry with this, what we have here. We need to go down to lower time frame to look for reversal candlestick. Look at this now. This is a reversal candlestick. You can see these are rejections candlestick with reversal candlestick. Do you understand? If you look closely, you see you have similar candlesticks. Whenever market reverses, you have similar candlesticks at those zones. So now, even around this level again, we keep having lows, low, high, low, high, low, high. You find an entry when market gives you a new low, a break of structure, it pulls back, and you do what? You look for a structure like this, and you short the market. You short right there. Your SL up there, you target right down here. As simple as that, brother. As simple as that. So we made an entry somewhere here. And our target here, our SL was here. Do you understand? As simple as that, bro. That's what I do basically every day. Though I cannot really explain everything here on the YouTube because the video is long already, but this is very simple. This is something, if you watch my video over and over, you get to understand this stuff. You can even do it on your own without learning from me. So Stop jumping from one strategy to another. Stop staying on your charts from morning to night and keep forcing the market. Keep it very simple. Very simple. If I pick boom and crash, I'll do the same. If I pick gold, I will do the same thing and get the same results, bro. Get the same results. Look at this guy. It's just trend line. Break of this trend line. A retest, market keeps going up. Now let's analyze this guy again in a very simple manner. This is our daily time frame. Just like what I said, you focus on the current price. That's the current price. Now you need to develop get an information on the daily time frame. So what are we looking for now? We're looking for our nearest support and resistance. This is the key level right there. And where's our resistance? Here. This is our resistance here, bro. Take this guy too. Do you understand? And market came below this our key level and rejected and closed above. This is a weak resistance, a weak bearish candlestick. This is a weak bearish candlestick. Look at what happened here. Market went below this level and closed above this level before. This was a weak candlestick. What happened? Market went up from that moment. Same thing here. This one also rejects markets. So it's basically what has been happening in the market. You take notes of that and make your decision today against the future. So now we've gotten this. Yesterday candlestick was weak. That means markets will be going up to this point. Now, because we're in an uptrend, kind of, right? So what do? Go down to 4 hours time frame. As you're going down to 4 hours time frame, you want to understand the market structure. Now, the market structure here, to me, is a bearish structure because we had high here. Market broke the high, gave us this level. Then it will do a pullback to either this level to drop again or to this level to drop again. So now since we know that market goes up to do a pullback before the drop, we quickly take advantage because it's moving from a key level. Now look at this candlestick. Strong bullish candlestick. This is strong bullish candlestick. It's stronger than this one. The last 4 to 5 candlestick is a strong guy right there. Look at when we had this strong guy right here, which is stronger than this, all these guys. Market push up. So look at when we had these strong guys here, which is stronger than these guys. Market push up. So what does this mean? We are in a strong push upward. So we move down to 1 hour time frame to see our reversal candlesticks. On the 1 hour time frame, we do not really say anything. Let's check the 30 minutes time frame. Note, you need to take note of some entry models. This is my key sweet, my beloved entry model right here. This guy right there. I'll wait for market to come into this guy, and then a rejection, I'll start buying. Then my buy will be somewhere here because you can see, obvious enough, my buy is somewhere there. I'll target this nearest supply, and my SL somewhere here or here, somewhere there, right? Now, if you check again on the 30 minutes time frame, sorry, the video is very long. On the 30 minutes time frame, you drag it down. Watch this video to the end, bro, to learn something. Don't always skip videos like this because you want to grow, but you don't want to learn. So look at that. Market has been respecting this level. This time around, there was a breakout, a pullback to this key level, and the market push. Now, this is a confluence. This level here, this is our confluence area. Why is it a confluence area? Because we have both trend line and horizontal line masking themselves at the same spot. So this is a confluence and it's a high probability buying setup. So as simple as that, bro. So if you're looking for a place to learn how to trade profitably, stop not just jumping to those influencers. They'll scam you. You've never seen them wanting to teach you. Chat me up. Check the description of this video to join, to chat me up. You want to be making daily profits. I've shown you that guy. A lot of people, you've seen a lot of testimonies there from today's signals alone. You can join, chat me up, join for the main VIP and start making money for yourself. Even the free guys, I used to give them free signals once in a while. So you can check the free Telegram to join and make money for yourself. So if you benefited something from this video, if I really touched your heart from your experience, if I touched your experience today, just give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. God bless.